The sun and water analogy by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi explains how our capacity to receive consciousness is determined by the clarity and state of our minds. Just as the sun reflects its light on the surface of the water, consciousness reflects on the surface of our minds. If the water is murky or turbulent, the reflection of the sun will be distorted or unclear. Similarly, if our minds are clouded with stress, anxiety, or negative thoughts, our capacity to receive consciousness will be limited. As we work to clear our minds through practices such as meditation or mindfulness, we become more open to the different stages of consciousness. The first stage is transcendental consciousness, which is a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. This is followed by Christ consciousness, which is characterized by feelings of love, compassion, and forgiveness. God consciousness is the next stage, where we experience a sense of unity with the divine and all living beings. Finally, unity consciousness is the highest stage, where we realize that we are all interconnected and part of a greater whole. Therefore, the clearer our minds become, the more we are able to access these different stages of consciousness and experience a greater sense of inner peace, love, and unity. This analogy highlights the importance of taking care of our mental health and cultivating a calm and clear mind to enhance our capacity to receive consciousness.